Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make the keyboard bigger on any Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone. And now scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on where it says General Management. And then search for something that's called Samsung keyboard settings. Click into that and then scroll down, and where it says size and transparency, click into that, and here just edit the size of your keyboard to make it big, really big, or really small. So once you've found where you want your keyboard, just click on done. And that's it, guys. That's how to change the size of your keyboard on your Android mobile device. Thanks for watching to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. Really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.